Hello everyone, I'll show you how to model bar handles in 3D Max. First, I will start with this rectangular shape. So I will draw here in the top view a box, and I will make this box 20 by 2 by 2. Now for this box over here, I need to divide the height into 4 segments, which means that each part of that is half centi. So I will make the height segments 4. Now I need to add edit poly and extrude this polygon outward 1.7. Now I will need to make these corners round, so I will chamfer these edges, and also I need to chamfer these also other corners, but this one should has a bigger amount. So I will start with this one, and I will make the chamfer here 0.5, and I will give it 2 segments like this. Now I will add more chamfer for this edge and this edge, okay, and also I will pick this edge and this corner. Now I will need to chamfer them, and I will make this time the chamfer amount 0.2. I will keep it 2 segments, no problem. So this is my first handle, and now I will start with the second handle over here. So I will draw now a box, and this box is 25, the width 1.5, and the height 2.5. So now this box I need to divide it with some segments, so I will extrude in this part of the handle, okay, in this part. So I will add here in the length segment 4. Now I will add edit poly. This each part is 5 centi. I will just need to move this edge inward, okay, -2. Okay, so this become 7 centi. I will also give it some space from the back side. Also, I will give it 2 centi. Now I will select this polygon over here, and I will use Shift to extrude it in, and check the status bar to give it a 1.5. Now I will need to curve this corner over here and over here like in the picture. So I will select the edge mode, and I will select this edge and this one, and then press F3, and I will select this one. It will help me to see all the edges. Now I will chamfer this one 0.5, okay, and I will give it 2 segments. I will press F3 so you can see that in shaded mode. Now I did this edges alone because they have a bigger chamfer corner. Now for these sides, outer corners, I will also chamfer them, but I will make the amount smaller. I will make it 0.2. So I will select this one, and then double click here, so you will get all these segments on this side. Press F3 and select the rest. This one, and double click here in the back side. Now I will chamfer, but this time I will make it 0.2. So now I will flip this handle to the other side. I will use mirror, okay, and then I will use the Z axis like this. Now I will go to the front view, and here this part is smaller than the bottom, so I will add here FFD 2 by 2 by 2. Select these control points, and you scale a little bit inward, 75% or 70 will be good. So this is my handle, and now I will start with the third one, which is the rectangle with curved corners. So here I will draw in the top view. I will draw here a rectangle, and this rectangle I need it to be 30 and the width 5.5. Now I need to use this option, which is corner radius. I will make it 2.5. Now I will extrude 1.2. Now I need just to add edit poly, select this polygon, inset inside 1.2, and then I need to push it upward or extrude it upward. It will be 2.5 like this. Now I will give the whole object a chamfer modifier, and I will start with an amount 0.2. Now I can see that everything is okay, no overlap polygons, so I will add here also 2 segments, and I will make it a smooth chamfers only. Now I will flip this object using mirror in the Z axis and press OK. So this is my third handle. Now I am going to start with the fourth one, which is this one over here. Here I will draw a box. I want this box to be 15 by 4 by 3. Now for the segments, I want the length 1 with 2 segments and the height 2. Now I need as well to add edit poly. For this small corner over here and downward, I need to double click this edge loop, and I will chamfer. I will make the amount 1. Okay. And now I will select this edge over here, and I will move it upward as well 1 cm. Now I will select this loop over here, and I will scale it in the z-axis 50%. Check the status bar for the value until you reach 50%, and I will stop. Now I have the basic shape for this handle. I just need to loop the edges before I add Turbo Smooth. I will press Alt plus number 1, and I will add 1 loop over here and 1 loop over here. Now I need to add Turbo Smooth, and we will make the other changes like this. Now I can adjust this curve a little. I will close Turbo Smooth, and I will select this edge by double click, and I will chamfer, okay, like 0.8 or something, so that will improve here the curve, and I will give it as well 2 segments. Now I need to straighten this base polygons, so I will close Turbo Smooth, and I will select this polygon over here using bi-angle. Now I will convert the selection to the edge mode using Shift, and I will chamfer it just a small amount like 0.01, and I will make only default 1 segment. Now I will turn on Turbo Smooth. So this is the fourth handle. And now I will start with the last one, which is the finger pull handle. Here I need to draw a line, and then I need to curve downward. So I will draw that from a rectangle. I will give it a dimension 2 and the width 4. From this rectangle, I will add edit spline. Here I will draw the profile for this handle, a line, and then I will curve this corner downward. So I will first delete this 2 segments, and then I will select this point, and I will fillet to the maximum, and then I have here the end point, so I will weld them together to 1 point. Now I will make an outline for this SP line, and I will make this outline 1.4. So I need just to fix these points over here. Also, I will select these 2 points, and I will fillet them 0.3. Now I need just like to give it a curve, and then it goes downward like this one. It goes up and then down a little. So at first I will just add here 1 point, and then I will move this one backward like this, and I will adjust the handle. Okay, and then I will make this segment a line, and this one I will just move it a little bit to the front like this. Now I will give it an extrude, and I will make this extrude 20. I will change the color so you can observe it better, and this is the handle. Now I need to go to the top view. Here these sides are straight, and here are curved inward. Okay, so I will just need here to add FFD 2 by 2 by 2, and then I will select both control points, and I will scale them inward like this. So now this is my handle. So now I will unhide all, So this is the whole group. Now I will just match it with the same color. Okay. Now I am going to add a material to them. I will need to pick from the V-Ray toolbar this V-Ray material library. I will use from this list wood and laminate. You just need to pick any pattern that doesn't have divisions, floor divisions. I have here something called veneer. So I will choose, for example, this kind of material. I will right click, add to material editor, and this is my material. So I will read here that this is veneer has 120 cm. Okay, I need to put this size here downward, use real world scale, and the size is 120 by 120. Now I will just do the same for the reflection. Use real world scale, 120 by 120, and also the same thing for the bump. So any material including any map including this material, you need to give it the same size, 120 by 220. Now I will close this one. Now I will select my objects and then click on this material. Here you want to assign the material to the selection like this, and make sure that to show shaded material is active. Now I need to go and open the modifier list and add UV map modifier. Here I will use the type box, use real world map size, and then you need this texture to go along, like in the picture, to go along this handle. So I will use here this axe, the Y axe, like this. So now they are running along this handle. So this is the final look for my handles, and we are done.